Finally, uploading obtained information to Central Data Core.
GDI has always viewed the Tacitus as a warning about the visitors. I saw it as an opportunity to invite a superior race to Earth. A race with great knowledge about Tiberium. According to the Tacitus, a liquid Tiberium explosion would alert the visitors' scout ships. But all of my experiments with liquid T failed to produce the necessary blast yield.
This being already exists in the data core. Genetic derivation is unknown. Overlord will want more investigation.
Threshold assembly under attack. Arrival of increased retaliation forces expected. Mission failure imminent. Foreman, completing at least one threshold is now highest priority. Ceasing secondary operations immediately.
Reformat your ship, Foreman. Insubordination is unacceptable.
Without a completed threshold, Foreman cannot return to Aquarab for violent fusion.
This entire harvesting operation is expendable. Overlord orders more information on Kane.
Order dismissed. A complete threshold assembly and construction of a signal transmitter is your only chance for survival, Foreman. First priority, complete threshold assembly. Building. Incoming transmission. GDI has built up a strong presence to the north. They appear to be intent. Training. On hold. Cancelled. Building. Intelligence data updated. Enemy units sighted. Construction complete. Our base is under attack. Training. 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 Building. Training. Construction complete. Construction complete. Building. Training. Stealth unit detected. Enemy units sighted. Construction complete. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack. Unit lost. Select target. Unit promoted. Building. Select target. Upgrade complete. Our base is under attack. Stealth unit detected.
Juggernaut, fire at will.
Construction complete. Insufficient funds. Upgrade complete. Our base is under attack. Enemy base sighted. Unit lost. Unit under attack. Enemy units sighted.
What's the status? Closing in.
Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Unit promoted. Establishing video uplink. Fallen. Threshold 18 destroyed. Threshold 19 is the last remaining tower. Assembly completion is your only hope now. Stealth unit detected. Enemy units sighted. Unit lost. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Unit promoted. Enemy base sighted. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Objective complete. Establishing video uplink. Threshold activation complete. I-core flow to hub now in progress. Final objective. Complete signal transmitter construction before relay node falls to indigenous forces. Planetary escape depends on the outcome. Transmission. The tower is now complete and impervious to GDI's attacks. Intelligence data updated. On hold. Cancelled. Funds transferred. Our base is under attack. Unit lost. Enemy base sighted. Construction complete. New construction options. Now that the signal transmitter is constructed, summon the mothership to your location. Incoming transmission. Protect and navigate the mothership to the tower for evacuation. Our base is under attack. Enemy units sighted. Training. New bonus objective received. Training. Unit under attack. Unit lost. Enemy units sighted. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack. Repairing. Repairing. Enemy base sighted. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack. Rift generator ready. Unit lost. Select target. Rift generator activated. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Unit lost. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Is under attack. Unit promoted. Objective complete. Mission accomplished. Signal transmitter ready for transport of mothership to Threshold. Successful transport to Threshold will enable planetary escape. Congratulations, Foreman. Mission salvaged. Mothership saved.
Mission was aborted. Foreman 371 ignored orders. They're traveling to Icor Hub now. If Overlord desires more information on Kane, the Threshold will soon be active for a return trip to planet Earth. Invasion force. Earth will fall.